This video, what I'm going to do is go over a Shiatsu neck and back massager. Check this thing. Number one, check out how big this box is. And this is from the company COMFIER, maybe is how you would say that. You can see how it came packaged right here, very nicely packaged in a very good quality box. I've already had this thing out, put it to the test, used it, but then I decided to put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. Let me just kind of like go over the box here. So it's got compression right here on the sides. This actually compresses in there and there on the sides. It's got vibration on the bottom. This thing goes a 2D Shiatsu and a 3D Shiatsu massage, and it's got the neck and shoulders. So it goes right here on the neck and it goes up and down, and right here on the back that goes up and down. And that's pretty much everything to it right there. I will bring my office chair in here and show y'all using that, but open it up here. It came very nicely packaged just like this. We'll go ahead and pull it out right there. This is everything you get with it. I'll set this aside. So a little set of instructions. I went over the instructions. They were very detailed, extremely detailed instructions on how to use the remote. This right here is your power cord. Right there, you got a barrel plug, and it's got a 110 type outlet. Well, the one I got's a 110 outlet. Depends on what country you're in. Plugs in just like that, and it shows a indicator light there, a little thank you card. Oh, how cute is that? A little thank you card. And then taking it out of the package. Actually, let me bring my chair over, set this thing up, and then show you with it in working, and I'll kind of go over some of the features while it's working. So let me show you where this goes. This is how I'm going to be using it exactly right here. So you see my chair set up here. The bottom is just kind of lays flat right there. The plug-in runs under here like this. It has a Velcro strap that goes around both the back. So there's a neck massager, a back massager, a vibration down here, and compression right here. And this is some sort of cover that just kind of like goes over just like that. I left all of this just like this. And then check this out. Here's the remote. So this is cool. The remote is just tucked away right there. As soon as you hit it, I don't know if you can hear it in the camera. See that right there? So you got full, there's the lower back. You got rolling, neck, vibration 1, 2, and 3. That's vibrating right there. Let me show you the compression. And then you can move this thing around right up here. You see, I don't know if you can see it moving right there. So what this is just like a ball that's moving around. 2 of them right there. So you can go air, seat. So I've got all the compressions on. Look at this. You see that coming up? See, these are starting to come up. So this would compress on your side. Let me go ahead and sit down in this thing and show you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it all off, and now let me sit down in it. Just like this. I'm in my chair. Turn it back on. Right away, as soon as you turn it on, it went right into this one mode that's just like that. But I'm gonna do back, seat, and then turn the heat on. And the rolling, I want it to be rolling. The vibration. Okay, I feel the neck now. Oh, that feels great right there. It's getting tight right along my rib cage right here. It feels like somebody's just kind of like squeezing you. That's what it feels like on the side. That feels really good, everybody. You can see the different settings. So I've got pretty much every setting that I run right there. And what I like about the spot, I can move that around and move it to any spot. Wow, see, I like how that feels, what it does, it compresses down and it pulls you back into it. I'm feeling the heat right here. There's temperature right here. I don't feel any temperature there, but I do feel it like right here. You can see how it's going right there. I feel it right along the back of my shoulders and neck right there, and right here on my upper back. But I can use the spot and lower it. Check that out. Do you see that red in there? That lets you know you got the heat on. Yeah. See that? So the heat is on. This is something I recommend for anyone that's going to be doing long sessions, whether it's gaming, working on a computer, maybe in an office setting or something like that. Very high quality. This thing does not feel cheap at all. All the material feels really good and it looks extremely premium. I'm impressed with this. Everybody, this is something I'm gonna be using amongst my kind of days sitting in a chair, because I do long sessions in a chair. It kind of gets a little annoying at times, and this might relieve you a little bit. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the COMFIER massaging chair, vibrating chair, heating chair. See y'all in the next video.